Never have to seal your granite ever again. Granite Shield restores old granite to look better than it ever did and permanently seals granite, making it smoother, shinier, and maintenance-free. Call 877-477-3254 to schedule your appointment.
Today we're learning about Granite Shield of Southwest Florida. I've always wondered how it works, so let's go find out more. So I'm here with Don, the owner of Granite Shield of Southwest Florida. Now, can you tell me what you do here?
Well, we are the only true lifetime sealer. A lot of people don't realize that granite needs to be sealed on a regular basis. And what happens is if you don't seal it, you're going to get stains, etching, things like that. And a lot of people aren't aware that there is maintenance involved. They just think when they buy granite, it's, maintenance free. It's not the case. What we do different is once we seal it, it's done. You never have to do it again. What we use are polymers, so it's a whole different process. It doesn't use silicone at all, so it doesn't break down. It's not one sealer, it's actually 5 different sealers.
Well, that's absolutely amazing. How long does this process take?
The process only takes on average about an hour and a half. And you can use it the minute we're done. We're only using little spray bottles and so on because we're working on a microscopic level. So what we want to do is get down into the pores. And so what we do is spray it on. We take a buffer, buff it, put the next one on, do the same. So you're actually getting buffed 5 times when we do it. See, this side here was sealed by Granite Shield. This side is not. So if that was wine, oil, grease, anything, that would soak right into your tops and you'd have yourself a stain.
Now, what is your contact information if somebody wants to get in touch?
Sure. You can reach us at 239-699-6787, or our website is graniteshieldofswfl.com.